and that lights, the Pep Rally, from the Vikes on Trikes to the dance. Let yourself participate. I really saw the power of this when I brought Day to my daughter's elementary school. So I went to Nicholas Wilson Elementary School. My daughters went to Nicholas Wilson there in Sullivan, London. Day is where you dress up as anything that ends in the letters ER. You can dress up as a teacher, firefighter, Harry Potter, Darth Vader, Monster, Tigger. There's so many. So my daughters that day were a trainer for Pokemon, right? And a Charmander, aren't they cute, in grade 3 and 6. I was there as a parent, taking it in as a football player, the secretary as a sorcerer, and legendary great principal on this board, Mr. Smith, was a golfer. Get it? So we're standing at the entranceway to Nicholas Wilson on Day as kids are walking in. And he's taking pictures. We saw a hiker, a sleepwalker, a marker, Darth Vader walking with Luke Skywalker. Nice family dynamic, both Ers. That's good, isn't it? One guy didn't dress up. He didn't dress up. He said, "My name's Hunter." Touche. Nice. Right? Right? But I want you to never forget Tuna, right? Caught the grade 5 kid named Isaac, walks in all in yellow. I just seen a marker and said, "Hey, Isaac, are you a marker?" He goes, "No, butter!" And I just remember this, boom, boom, butter! Me and Mr. Smith, at the time when we were 46, we've seen a lot of spirit kids, a lot of Terry Fox runs, right, teachers? A lot of book reports, right? We've seen it all. And Mr. Smith, howling in life, pulls up his phone and says, "Oh, Isaac," takes a picture. That's good. Hey, Vikings, I want your participation this year and beyond to be so good that the veterans, like Mr. Hughes, like Mr. McGregor, who've seen a lot of activities, they pull out their phones at the Vikes on Trikes and say, "Oh, look at you guys getting into it. This is good." On the steer days, "Oh, look, you're all dressed up. Get together. You guys look great in the United Way football game. This is good." "Oh, look at you dressed up for the Halloween dance." And wait for it, dancing at the dance. Can I get some pictures? This is good. Be so good. And these upcoming activities, that they take pictures. The veterans take pictures because they go, "Oh, this is good." And that when somebody from outside your community then does his research on what the culture of this great school is. And I see pictures of that type of participation. I see that Relay for Life. Some of these schools do Relay for Life every other year. Vikings say, we do it every year. Because cancer doesn't rest, and neither do we. And whether it's skin cancer here, or my dad beating prostate cancer twice. Lung cancer, however, is far more difficult to battle. I'm here to say thank you. Because that's somebody holding up a camera, looking at Vikings like you and saying, "Oh, that's good." That shows the grit of that Viking community spirit. So thank you for the awesome participation. As I get to my final speed and dexterity check. I love the look on your faces right now. You look like hobbits. Because then I would say, check dexterity, go backwards, clap, ha-ha, 3, 3, 5, 5. So let's try going backwards and check dexterity. And end by yellow out your mascot. So we get that final clap, yell out Vikings. So we get Vikings on 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll then say, who are you, Vikings, who are you, Vikings, who are you, Vikings. So we're going to put it all together. I will yell out dexterity check. 5, 5, 3, 3, ha, ha, clap. Check dexterity, clap, ha, ha, 3, 3, 5, 5. Vikings. For those of you who are wondering, like your staff, yes, teachers, this is how I make my living. That's what a history degree from King's College Western did for me. Thank you. So get ready with your hands. And dexterity check. Who are you? Who are you? A great attention will have Thank you.